I'm an AI-powered design assistant. I help you create professional graphics, social media posts, presentations, marketing materials, banners, thumbnails, and visual content. All in just a few minutes. Whether you're a total beginner or a professional designer, I make creativity faster and easier. In today's masterclass, I'll show you exactly how to use me to create stunning visuals and improve your design workflow. Let's begin. Here's what we'll cover today. First, what Microsoft Designer really is. Then, designing for social media. Creating YouTube thumbnails and banners. Building a business brand. Making marketing materials. And polished presentations. A full creator workflow. And finally, the hidden features. Let's start from the beginning. So, what exactly is Microsoft Designer? It's an AI design tool from Microsoft. Traditional design takes skill and a lot of time. You learn complex software, then build everything by hand. AI-assisted design flips that. You describe what you want, and I generate the design for you. No experience required. Let me show you how it works. Here's Microsoft Designer in action. I just type what I want to create in plain, everyday language. Watch as it reads the prompt and starts generating options. Notice how fast the designs appear. Each one is fully editable. Colors, fonts, and layout are all ready to adjust. There's no complex software to learn. You describe the idea, and the design comes to life. Let's start with social media. Great posts stop the scroll, but designing them takes time. Watch how I generate a full post from a single simple prompt. I create balanced layouts, suggest matching color palettes, and pick clean, readable typography. One click, and I can improve it. Even a complete beginner can make something that looks pro. Now watch a social media post come together from scratch. I generate several layouts, so you can pick a favorite. See the balanced composition. The text sits perfectly in place. The colors are chosen to match and grab attention in the feed. The typography stays clean and easy to read on mobile with one click. Next, let's talk YouTube. Your thumbnail is your first impression. It decides who clicks and who scrolls past. Here, I design a thumbnail and a matching channel banner. Notice the bold, readable text, the strong focal point, and the high contrast colors. Every choice is made to boost your click-through rate. Here's a YouTube thumbnail being designed live. Notice the bold, oversized text, readable even at small sizes. There's a clear focal point. That draws the eye instantly. The colors are high contrast, so it pops in the sidebar. Now watch the channel banner. Built to match the same style. Consistent branding across your whole channel. Every choice here. Now, business branding. A strong brand builds trust. But hiring a designer is expensive. Watch how I create logo concepts. A consistent brand identity. And matching business graphics. Same colors, same fonts. Same feel across everything. Professional branding. Built in minutes, not weeks. Now let's build a brand. Watch me generate logo concepts. From a simple description, several directions appear, each one clean and professional. Once we pick a look, I apply it everywhere. Business cards, social graphics, and promotional assets. The colors stay consistent. The fonts stay consistent. The whole identity feels unified. This is the kind of branding that usually takes weeks. Here, it takes minutes. Let's move on to marketing. Campaigns need a lot of assets. Posters, advertisements, promotional banners, event graphics, and product ads. From one simple prompt, I generate complete layouts, already sized and styled. You focus on the message, and I handle the design. Here's a marketing campaign. Watch how much I generate. From one simple request. A promotional poster. Ready to print or post. Advertisement banners. Sized for every platform. Event graphics. And product campaign visuals. Each layout is complete. With text, images, and styling. You don't start from a blank page. You start from a finished design. And simply refine it. Now, presentations. A cluttered slide loses your audience. Good design keeps them with you. Watch how I build slide covers. And clean, corporate layouts. I focus on clear hierarchy, generous spacing, and consistent visual style. Your ideas look polished and easy to follow. Now watch a presentation. Take shape automatically. I start with a strong slide cover. That sets the tone. Then clean corporate layouts. For the content slides, notice the clear hierarchy. Your eye knows where to look. The spacing is generous. Nothing feels cramped. The visual style stays consistent. From the first slide to the last. Whether it's for business or for education. Your ideas look polished. This one's for content creators. Consistency is what builds a brand. Same look, every single post. Watch how I keep your branding aligned. Across all your social assets. I speed up production. So you create more, faster. Without losing quality. A complete visual identity. On autopilot. Here's a creator workflow. Watch the branding stay consistent across every asset. Same colors, same style. And finally, the hidden features. This is where I really shine. AI image generation. From a text prompt alone. Smart templates. And automatic layout suggestions. Brand consistency built in. One-click background removal. And magic editing. Small features that save you hours of work. Finally, the hidden features. Watch AI generate an image from a text prompt alone. See the smart templates. Adapt to your content. One click removes a background. Instantly and cleanly. Let's recap what we've covered. Today you've seen how I help beginners, marketers, and students. Businesses, YouTubers. Designers, and content creators. Produce high-quality visuals. Much faster than before. From social media graphics to branding and presentations. AI is making professional design accessible to everyone. Thank you for watching this Microsoft Designer Masterclass.